Today on the Healthy Skillet, we're making bakery style, low carb, salted caramel cream cheese stuffed cookies. Imagine biting into a soft, chewy salted caramel cookie, each one a perfect 3.5-ounce round of brown butter goodness, stuffed with a rich caramel cream cheese filling. Then, just before serving, we drizzle it with homemade brown butter caramel sauce and finish with a sprinkle of Celtic sea salt flakes. It's sweet, salty, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. Let's get baking. You're watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, review products, delete toxins, reimagine recipes, and share legal minutes to help coach your business towards success. Thanks for watching. salted caramel cookies are pure gold. Crispy edges, gooey centers, and that perfect touch of sea salt sparkle. Thank you to every single subscriber for helping the Healthy Skillet grow. Your support means everything. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our delicious community where we create, test, and taste the best low-carb healthy alternatives together. Here's to more sweet success, one cookie at a time.